How to share a printer between multiple computers. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Control Panel on your device. Then click on Hardware and Sound, where you'll find Devices and Printers. In here, select your printer, then click on Printer Properties. In here, go to Sharing and turn Sharing on. This is not available in my device, so I won't be able to show sharing process, but you just need to make sure there is tick mark in sharing option, and that's how you share a printer between multiple computers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.